I'm Alexander Miles with Autoscope European Car Care, and today we are going to be reviewing the 2021 BMW X6M Competition. The BMW X6M Competition has a 4.4 liter V8 twin scroll engine producing 617 horsepower. Now talk about moving fast. This X6M Competition is loaded with everything. Let me run you through some features. It's got M1, M2 configuration so you can have different driving modes. It's got adaptive cruise control. I mean, it has everything you want. It's got paddle shifters, a beautiful digital display, fully customizable. Look at the shifter, the details, the stitching on the end, the M logo on top, the red start and stop button. What more can you ask for? It's got a wireless charging for your phone, heating and cooling cup holders. Let's see how this car handles on the road. Let's go. Holy crap. This car definitely packs a punch. Immediate response. Very smooth as well. I can't really feel all the imperfections in the road, which is nice because you are sitting higher up. We are in a sports utility vehicle. Typical service on this BMW are going to include your oil changes, replacing your air filters, and spark plugs. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you could please drop a like, leave a comment, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I will see you in the next video.